In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a parametric geometry in CATIA. Import the created geometry with the parameters to make design changes within SimLab automatically. First, create a new cat part. Open the sketch and create a rectangle. Let's define all the parameters we're going to use. Open the Formulas dialog. Select New Parameter of Type. Make sure to have the correct type of parameter select. For this case, we're only going to use length type. Edit the name and value of the parameter. Create 3 in total: width, length, and height, with 4, 5, and 10 millimeters respectively. Once the parameters are created, we have to apply them. To do this, use the constraint tool on the length and width of the rectangle. Double-click on the width constraint and right-click on the value. Select Edit Formula and double-click on the respective parameter. Make sure the parameter appears on the formula on the top part. You can create any kind of formulas with all the parameters created. Repeat for the length parameter. Exit the sketch, and let's create a solid body from it with the pad tool. Right-click on the length value and set the formula as the height parameter. Open the parameter browser and change any parameter to verify it is working correctly. Finally, save the file. Open SimLab and simply drag and drop your CATIA geometry. In the import options, make sure to have Design Parameters option enabled. Right-click on the assembly name and select Regenerate to create a new geometry defined from the parameters. Set the values for each of the parameters and hit Regenerate.